Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone apps are stuck on waiting mode. If you try to open any apps on your iPhone and it is on a screen waiting and stuck, then here are the fixes. Go to your iPhone app store and here update your app. Look for any app against it update is available. Then you can use one by one from here. Against your each app in update option you will find simply down update the app. If you want to update all your apps in just one click, then simply click on your profile icon from the top right corner and here scroll down and you will find the option available updates. From here you can easily update all apps in a single click and your iPhone apps stuck on waiting is simply removed and fixed by updating all your apps on your iPhone. So simply update your apps